Hi everyone, Ron Crider here, once again from the Victoria in Vero Beach, January the 11th, 2020. It's a Saturday. It's a beautiful day, and this shot was taken today as well, January the 11th, I should say, 2020. And it's our surf, and it's 72 degrees out there. Not a cloud in the sky. A little bit windy. You'll hear the sound in the background from the microphone on the camera, but other than that, couldn't ask for a better day. The beach is absolutely spectacular. If you look at one of my other videos, they've started to rebuild the beach down by Con Beach and the Ocean Grill. They have thousands of truckloads of sand that they are putting into the beach area down there. But look at our beach. Our beach looks terrific. And they haven't done anything to it, so we're in good shape. I'm making this video because I've been requested to do so to give you an idea of what our hallways look like. We're just about done. Of course, the first thing you see is the part that's not done, and there are the elevator doors on the first floor, the elevator door. That's going to be redone in a much lighter color inside and out. And that's one thing that has yet to be done. The furniture is going to be replaced. That furniture is no longer permitted by the fire department because it is a fire hazard, and it would impede the firefighters if they had to get in here and do something. So we have been ordered to remove it. We have other furniture that's on its way but hasn't made it here quite yet, but it will be equally as nice. Here's a shot of the library. Sorry I didn't get a shot inside the library. Down there on the bottom of the door it says library. If the light were on, you would see it. It would be more illuminated. And then as we move to the left here from the library, going to go down and take a look at the unit at the end. I did that just to show you the floor, how the floor extends down on each side on the first floor to these end units. Take a look at our new signs for letting people know what the unit numbers are. Beautiful. They're blue inside with that kind of brass outside. And there is the shot looking back on the first floor, back towards the lobby area. Now we'll come over here and take a look at the mail room. That's what the door looks like in the library with the light on inside the room. I opened up the door and came in. We put some pictures in our mail room, and there is our antique mailboxes. They actually look somewhat retro. The more you clean them, the worse they look, so we decided we better leave them just the way they are. We have a little mat down there for the mail person to kneel down to put the mail in the mailboxes. That was at her request. We have a little bulletin board here. Okay, this shot is going to walk around the hall on the first floor. We're going to go down and make a right-hand turn and start heading down the hallway for you to get an idea of the baseboard, the carpeting, the lighting. You'll notice here, see how the carpet has little stripes? Those indicate the apartment areas. The condo unit areas are identified by those stripes. Then you'll notice that I guess that's wainscoting on the left and right side, and chair rail is in between the units. But when you get close to the unit, as you can see as we proceed down the hall, then the wainscoting will disappear, the chair rail will disappear, and once again the carpeting will identify the unit area, as you can see on the left and the right side. The lighting is really good. Everybody seems to like it quite a bit. Now we're up on the second floor. This is the second floor lobby. Once again, this furniture will go. It's not permitted by the fire department anymore. Nothing is permitted to be in the hallways by the fire department. That's not our rule. That is a Vero Beach fire code. This is 204. This is our unit. Once again, I did this just so you could see the 204 number. Now we're going to walk down the hall. There on the right-hand side is the trash room. And we'll do the same walkthrough as we did before, going down to down the hallway. And both floors are similar. If you look at it again, remember to take a look at it at the very beginning. We did some additional work with the molding around the doorways on the first floor. If you take another look at it, go back just at the very beginning if you want to see those. It's quite nice. We didn't do that on the other hallways, on the other floors, but we did it down there. Again, each floor is similar, but very light and bright. The camera is not really picking up how nice and bright it is in the hallways. It does tend to look a little bit darker, as you can see here, but as you get into the area, it starts lightening up. On time, under budget, and pretty much was ready for everyone with the exception of the numbering system by the 1st of November. Once again, another shot of the door signs. That's our 205 number, 213. And that's it. The Victoria's new hallways. 3 years in the making, and it finally got done. We started in April, and it was amazing that it was pretty much completed in October. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, give me a call. You know how to reach me, 772-913-2209, or it's roncrider@gmail.com. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. Have a great day and a happy new year, and I hope you enjoy our new hallways.